These are the most terrifying sounds of war ever recorded. At third place we have the Stuka dive sound, also known as the trumpets of Jericho. During World War II, Germans attached sirens to their Ju-87 dive bomber that made this terrifying sound. The second place belongs to CRAM, which stands for Counter-Rocket Artillery and Mortar. The infamous A-10 Warthog takes the first place. Its 30mm GAU-A8 Avenger cannon shoots at 4,200 RPM and is deadly to every target.